So you want to know how to fix mistakes when you've been recording. So to begin, let's just get a good example track going. I'll just say something random, like as though I've been singing a song, let's say. Test, test, 1, 2, 3, test, 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 blah, 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 blah. And so now, let's just play the track back. You can clearly hear it. So let's say that that was me singing a song. But let's say I made a mistake somewhere at the 2-second mark right here, 2 seconds. So you're going to want to click at the 2-second mark, and that's going to move your green cursor over from the beginning here on the left side to the 2-second mark. Now I'm going to want to record over my mistake and keep going. So we're going to arm the track again. Blah, 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 blah. And so now you can see that there's a different thing here. We got our first take and our second take. Right now we've got our new take that I just recorded selected, or if I left click on the first one, now it's take 1 of 2 selected. So if I, for example, play my great singing that I've done, you can see that this is just the standard take that I did the first time. But now if I have take 2 of 2 selected and I move it back over here and play it again, well, it maybe sounds a little similar because I didn't actually sing anything, but you have your new take playing. But let's say that you do a lot of takes starting at the 2-second mark. Let's go back to 2 seconds here and let's do another take. Test, 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 test. Okay, so now you can see, that this is very small and hard to see. So to be able to make it so you can see this easier, you're going to want to have your mouse over on the actual track you're recording on. Put it at near the bottom and your mouse will turn into like a black up and down arrow. You're going to want to hold and left click and hold and then move it down, and you'll be able to space that out a little bit. So now you can see all my different takes that I've made here. So let's say that I recorded like even 10 takes, like even more than double this. And so you want to get rid of some that you don't want to keep for any reason at all. So what you're going to want to do is left click on the take you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this second take. So first click on it, make sure that at the top it says which take is selected, take 2 of 5. Right click, go to take, go to delete active take. That is now deleted my second take that I made. Let's say I want to delete the fourth one. Left click, make sure it says take 4 of 5. Right click, take, delete active take. And there we go. Those takes have been deleted. And now, let's say that you recorded the take that you actually want to keep. Let's say this last take, 5 of 5, is the correct one, and you want to get rid of all the others. Make sure you have your correct take selected, take 5 of 5, right click, go to take, and click crop to active take. That now has deleted all of the other takes except the one that I wanted to keep.